Ever wondered about the difference between a beginner, intermediate, and expert programmer? Well, I thought of it, so I made a challenge using the Python programming language because of its versatility. So, I got 3 Python programmers, including myself, of course, to make a simple CLI calculator. The first of which is the beginner programmer. His script could only perform simple mathematical operations on 2 numbers, which is expected for his grasp of the programming language. His script works by accepting 2 numbers and a mathematical operator, then using the operator to determine what operations to perform on the numbers displaying the result on the terminal. That's simple, right? So now the intermediate programmer made a more complex script, including error handling. But I'll try to give a broad understanding. His script goes like this. It collects input, determine if it is valid, then if it is, parse the input, then retrieve the first operation from the start, solves the operation, then returns it to the input and repeat until it gets the solution. But after testing his script, it was way too inaccurate because it doesn't follow BODMAS even though it has priority for operations in brackets. Well, in the bright side of things, his script shows how it arrives at its solution. Phew, that's a lot. So now let's speak about the expert's programmer script. As you can see, his script is ways lot shorter. The intermediate script proofing his expertise. Well, his script works by collecting input as usual, parsing it a bit, then leaving the rest to Python to handle using the AVL function, which evaluates a mathematical expression. This made his code more efficient and accurate because he doesn't have to trust some janky code. He wrote but tested code written by some other programmers. Looking at this, we can see that the beginner programmer made the most basic calculator with the most basic features, and there is an increase in complexity and features further down the road, while the expert programmer code is known for its efficiency and reliability. He also made it in less time since he is very conversant with the programming language. In conclusion, a beginner programmer just knows the basic stuff, so he can't do a lot. But when compared to an intermediate programmer who knows advanced concepts like functions, error handling, and lots more, while an expert programmer has a profound understanding of the language and know advanced concepts like object-oriented programming, and just how to make his code more efficient and maintainable, so he's able to work in large organizations and large groups with advanced software. Note that beginners just write code, intermediates produce programs, and experts create solutions. I hope you liked the video, so if you do, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.